Hi friends, I'm Wes Paule. I'm founder and director of Luxury Fix. I have in all 22 years of experience in automobile industry. I started working from technicians to executive directors, managers, executive directors, group CEO.
Myself Rajesh Mishra. I am director into Luxury Fix with ongoing journey of 18 years into automotive industry. I've been handling 4 franchise setup of car detailing into Mumbai.
As the owner of luxury cars, I have come across a problem which most of the luxury car owners face. Either we have to take our car to dealership for a servicing where the repair bills are exorbitantly high, or the other option left with us is only local workshop, where we are not very sure whether the person working on the car is competent, whether they are using correct parts, whether they are doing a genuine job, what if the problem comes. To address this solution, we have come up with Luxury Fix, a one-stop solution for all the luxury vehicles, whereby we will be able to attend to your service need, mechanical repair, electronic repair, electrical repair, any module repair, ECM repair, engine and gearbox repair, accidental repair, flood repair, interior repair like your seats, your leather repair, fabric repair, interior beautification, exterior beautification.
We take repair and maintenance of only 6 European brands, that is BMW, Audi, Mercedes, Jaguar, Land Rover and Porsche. This is not a single person driven organization. This is a complete team organization where we are having general managers, vice president, customer care department, insurance claim department. All our employees in Luxury Fix are having minimum 5 years of experience, and they have been certified by different OEMs into their respective departments like mechanical, AC repairs, diagnostic.
We specialize in engine and gearbox repair. If you go to a dealer or a local workshop, either a gearbox will be replaced and it will be very expensive. But with this automatic transmission and all, we have expertise to repair this gearbox. We will be replacing the child components, the parts which are only those parts which are actually damaged. We will be replacing those, and the repair will be very cost effective. Almost 1.5 to 2 lakh rupees as compared to 8-10 lakh rupees otherwise which the customer would have incurred. We are specializing in accidental and flood repair. One, he pays a very less amount as compared to dealer. Also, his history is intact. His history is not compromised. Second, one more biggest advantage is if he claims the insurance with us, he does not lose on a no claim bonus. So in all our setups with all the major insurance companies, we have a cashless facility.
We have got state-of-the-art diagnostic equipment. We give repair and maintenance solution to the customers.
One is the guarantee that you are paying the lowest premium that you are paying in the market.
We are having buying and selling also, wherein we provide warranty on the vehicle.
We have come up with a new facility in Navi, Mumbai, Turbe, which is 25,000 square feet, a huge facility and a state-of-the-art workshop, which is having all the diagnostic tools, equipments, all the required equipments for repair and accidental repair and flood repair and all sort of repair. We are equipped completely over there. Now the best part that you will get is you will get exactly a dealer-like experience at almost half the price with up to 1 year of warranty. So friends, I urge the luxury car owners to come and visit us once, check our services, help us to bring more cost-effective solutions to you. Your visit will encourage us and help us to bring more cost-effective solution, and our vision is to provide these services. We take these services to pan-India level and provide it to as many customers as possible. Thank you.